So good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. We are about to start the prayer now. Yes, everybody sit in prayer position. I want everybody to sit in prayer position. Yes, everybody sit in prayer position. You know I can see you. You know I can see you. So everybody sit in prayer position. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Keep your backbone straight. Why not add you? Yes, muted. I am not on mute. My audio is on. Yes, my audio is on. I hope all can listen here. So, all are seated in prayer position now. All are seated in prayer position now. I'll say the prayer and you will repeat after me. I'll say the prayer and you people will repeat after me, okay? Thank you, God, for giving us today thank you for giving us. Divyanshi, close your eyes. Good parents, teachers, and friends. Ruhi, close your eyes. Now, as we are about to start our class, Satlin, close your eyes. Be with us so that we may understand and learn whatever our teacher is going to whatever our teacher is going to teach us. Lord, bless our teacher also so that she may explain well. Amen. Now relax everybody. Sit comfortably. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Sit comfortably. Sunanda, sit comfortably now, beta. Bani, you are very naughty. So, after the prayer, now I am going to start with the class. Today we have our EVS class, and in EVS, I am going to revise with you the chapter Food We Eat. I'm going to revise with you the chapter Food We Eat. I will simply I will simply take a quick revision of the chapter from the page. I will not read anything. I will simply explain you whatever there is written. So, we eat food to live and grow. Can you hear now? Am I audible now? Who is scribbling the screen? Please take care of your children. I don't know which child is spoiling the screen every time. And where are the parents? So, from animals, we get fish, egg, plants. So, the sources of food are who is this? I want to know which parent is this that is not accompanying her child. Aruhi Bandral, You are spoiling the screen. Now Gurseet's score is this. Parents, please stop your children. Please stop your children. I am going to talk to the parents of these children, those who are spoiling the screen every day. Ashpreet, now you are spoiling the screen. Now foods are of different types. Foods are like rice, wheat, maize are the cereals. Uh, Hazel, now you have spoiled the screen. Write down the names, those who are, please write the names, those who are spoiling the screen. I'm going to talk to their parents in personal today. So right, wheat and maize are the cereals. As you eat porridge in the morning, like you eat cornflakes in the morning, muesli you eat, all these are cereals. Bani Singh, right, Bani also. So right, wheat and maize are cereals. Now pulses are the essential part. As pulses are very important, are very important for us. They are rich in proteins. Like you eat green dal, yellow dal, and then black gram, then kidney beans, moong ki dal. All these pulses are very good for our health. They are very important part of our food. They have proteins and they are give very health. They make us healthy and strong. Now you can see the picture of kidney beans here. These are pulses. Here also we are given the kidney beans. Now green vegetables are also very important for us. Like in summers you eat methi, palak, other also other vegetables also, green vegetables. Spinach we call spinach in English, to palak we call spinach. So all these are green vegetables. Nowadays in the market are ladyfinger, arbi, beans, capsicum. All these are green vegetables. Green vegetables are also very important for us. But on the other hand, there are junk foods. You, who is this Galaxy M11? No, like foods like pizza, burger, chips, Maggie, cold drinks. All these are unhealthy foods. All these are unhealthy foods, and they are not good for our health. You know why these are not healthy for us? Because they take a lot of time to digest. They take a lot of time to digest. So when they take lot of time to digest, our stomach doesn't go well. We have stomach infection and other problems. Down you can see we are given healthy and unhealthy food. In the first picture, they are rice and dal. They are a healthy food. In the other picture, there is a burger, cold drink, then these sticks are there. So all these are junk foods. And junk foods are not at all good for us. Junk foods are not at all good for us. They are not, we should not eat junk foods. Okay. So, I think you have spoiled the screen now. Hazel. In the next page also you can see pizza and eggs. Eggs are rich in proteins. Eggs are good for our health. But pizza is not good for health. We should not go for pizza. But if your mama prepares pizza at home, you can eat it. If mama is preparing pizza at home, you can eat it. But from market, not at all. So milk is an important meal of our food. Milk is an important meal of our food. We should drink milk definitely. I've told you, drink a lot of milk in the morning, drink milk in the evening. When your parents are taking tea time, they're having tea time and coffee time, you can have milk. And while going before bed, you can also take milk. While going before bed, again you can take milk. Take a lot of milk. If you drink a lot of milk, your teeth will become strong, your hair will become beautiful and long. Rishita, why are you writing on the screen now? Why your name is coming? So next comes, how many meal we do have in a day? We have, Sumaira, why are you raising your hand? Take it down. I'll give you time to raise question. Take your hand down. So we have 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. And the breakfast we can have cereals, in the breakfast we can have cereals, bread, butter, and juice, milk, all that we want to have. We can have bread, egg, idli, dosa, cereals with milk, or we can have fruit for breakfast also. But we should have a healthy breakfast, heavy breakfast in the morning. Now lunch in the lunch we should have dal, roti. Those who are non-vegetarians, they can have chicken, rice, uh, salad. Salad is important for all. Soup we have to take before lunch or dinner also. And dessert, that is sweet dish. We should all eat all this. Ade, why are you taking your name on the screen? Right, Ade also. Today I kept my daughter with myself. She's writing all the names you are writing on the screen. I'm copying all the names you are writing on the screen, and I will go talk to their parents in first. And in the WhatsApp group and Snap homework, I'll also write their names, that these are the students who are scribbling the screen every day. Gurses, I don't know where the parents are. Students are all alone kept before the screen. So last is coming, good habit. Yes, in dinner we should also, we can have same things in the dinner also. In the dinner also we can have same thing, vegetable, rice, chapatis, egg, fish, chicken, milk. But we should take light dinner, not that heavy. And we should take our dinner early, quite early, so that our food digests before going to bed. Now we come to good food habits. We should eat fruits and vegetables regularly, drink milk every day. I've already told you. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. We should not waste food. We should eat fresh food. We should avoid junk food. So this was the chapter of our food we eat. Now, I've already shared with you the question answer. So I'm reading the question and answer and explain to you how will you do the answers. Question 1 is, name the food we get from plants. From animals, sorry. So what we get from animals? Milk, eggs, meat. So first of all, I have and fish also. We get milk, egg, meat, fish from animals. Now listen carefully. Parents should also listen carefully. Here it is written, name the food. Foods is not written. Only one food is asked, but the question is not that clear. So I have written all the 4 foods. When the question is coming, you have to be very careful. If it is the given, name one food we get from plants, from animals, we'll write only one food. If we are given name 2 foods we get from animals, we'll write two foods. If we are asked 4 foods, what is the number? We have to write the number. But here the question is not clear, so I've written all the 4 names. But be careful when you are attempting, don't write all the names. Write only that much names which are asked. Now question 2, give 2 examples of pulses. You can see there is specifically asked 2 question in the question. We are asked 2 examples of pulses. I think again okay. Did I ask you? Now question 3, how many meals do we have in a day? How many meals do we have in a day? I think, where is your mama? So in full sentence we'll write, we have 3 meals in a day. We have 3 meals, not 3 times. We have 3 meals in a day. If the question is Jasbir's mother, if the question is how many times we take meal in a day, so we'll write we take meals 3 times meals in a day. But here is how many meals? Only 3 meals. Okay. Question 4 is why do we eat food? Very simple answer. We eat food to live and grow. It is not that clear, but I will read for you. You have also a copy with you. How many glasses of water we should drink in a day? So now only I have explained to you. But full sentence is it? It is full sentence. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Okay. Now I have written a few extra questions of this chapter. Write 2 junk foods. I have written pizza, burger. You can write any 2 junk foods of your choice, but they should be junk foods. Okay. Name 1 complete food. As I've read to you, milk is a complete food, so we'll write milk. Why the volume is low? My volume is full. My volume is full. What is happening so? Yes, Ruhi Sardalia, I have written here pizza burger. But parents, according to your children's convenience, you can write any 2 junk foods. I am not rigid about my answers. So you can write any 2 junk foods, but they should be junk foods. Okay. Next question, name the 3 meals in a day. Our first question was, how many meals? But now the question is, name the 3 meals in a day. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay. My next question is, write 3 good habits. Number 1, I have written, we should drink milk every day. Number 2, I have written, we should eat fresh food. Number 3, we should not waste food. So I have completed my part now. So I want to unmute all of you. But if you have any question, only then, yes, you can. I have told you, you can write any 3 good habits. Any 3 good habits. You are not supposed to stick to these 3 habits. I have written any 3. You can write any 3. Okay. But they should be good habits. So my part is complete. I have taught all the things. Now I am going to unmute all of you. But parents, I want you to interact yourself. Not the children will ask me question. I want parents to ask me question. Whatever question is, parents will ask me questions, not the children. I'm very sorry, children are asking questions and they are not clear what to ask. So only the parents will ask the question. Yes, any queries, any questions?
मैम
Yes.
मैम आपने ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है ये आपने भेजने हैं
Beta, I have already sent to you. I have already sent these question answer.
Ma'am,
Where is your mother? Tell your mother to ask the question.
मैम मेरी मामा बिजी रहती हैं आजकल।
कहाँ बिजी रहती हैं?
कहाँ पे?
मम्मा आपके साथ क्लास नहीं ज्वाइन करती तभी आप स्क्रीन पे लगे रहते हैं, राइट? Parents, I have already shared these question answers with you. So please you can see these question answers. Okay? Yes, any else question? Anybody having question?
मैम एक तो छोटी सिस्टर मोबाइल पकड़ के रहती है ना।
Tell your mama to lock the mobile.
ओके मैम।
Tell your mama to lock the mobile. Everybody is putting password. Why doesn't your mother put a password on her mobile?
हम पासवर्ड लगाया हुआ है पर वो खोल लेती है। वो मेरे ग्रैंडपा का भी खोल लेती है।
No, you should have control on her.
स्क्रीन लॉक करती है ना, वही बोल
Bachcha, tell your mama to lock the screen.
लॉक कनेक्ट करके जैसे ने पासवर्ड रखा
Okay, next. Anybody is having question? One thing is parents are not there. I want all the parents to accompany the children, but parents are not accompanying.
मम्मा ये लो, मम्मा ये लो।
Mama, ye lo. Yes, any queries, any questions from parents side?
No, ma'am.
Now listen, parents are sitting now. I want to tell you. In the maths test, please listen carefully. Time is running short. In the maths test, there were options to upload image, upload file. A few parents have clicked the photos and sent separately in email. So parents, I am going to share a video with you how to upload the file. Please watch the video and then again I will send you a test. Please practice that. I hope you understand.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I hope you understand. I will share with you a video. I will share with you a video in which I will show you the steps how you have to upload the file. Yes, thank you, ma'am. So parents, please watch that video and then I will send you next test. Please apply all these steps. Okay? So any questions from any side?
No, ma'am, no.
No, ma'am.
No questions. So
No,
that's all for today's class. Now
Thank you,
at
ma'am.
12 o'clock, I have maths class. In that class, I am going to teach the statement sums. That is,
Okay, ma'am.
iska?
Okay.
Yes, tomorrow you have English test. I'll send you early in the morning. EVS test, same chapter test. I'll take on today's Saturday. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aruhi.
Okay, ma'am.
What okay?
Ma'am, she scan करना.
Yes, I will send. I will definitely send. Okay?
Thank you,
So thank you, students. Thank you, students, and thank you, parents, for joining.
पेपर होंगे.
Parents, please sit along with children when the class is going on.
पेपर होने
Okay?
में
Please accompany your children. Yes, excused. बोलिए मम्मा कहाँ है आपकी? Tell your mama to ask the question. Yes. मैम आपकी तरफ से शोर बड़ा आ रहा है, आवाज खराब आ रही है, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं सुनाई दे रहा, हैवी आवाज आ रही है बहुत. Lesson 3 at school. Bani's mother, I think you are not audible. You can text me, send me in WhatsApp your question. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So thank you everybody. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. Bye.